So before investigating individual files, security teams often want to understand the overall exposure of sensitive data across their environment. And Lepide Identify helps you do that. What it does is it provides a centralized dashboard showing you where sensitive data exists, how much risk it represents, and which platforms are affected. And we're going to look at this dashboard now. Here we can see the types of sensitive data we have, where it's located. We can see new sensitive data being created, and we get a total picture of our risk through risk scoring to help you prioritize your remediation efforts by highlighting the locations that present the greatest potential exposure. So we can get a pretty good general picture of the overall exposure of sensitive data across our entire environment, from file servers to Microsoft 365. From there, we can drill directly into classified files to see exactly where sensitive information was found. And if we look at file servers for our first example, we can see in this report that we have the file server in question. We can see the full file path. We can see the content type that was actually found, and any compliance mandate that it relates to is listed here as well. This is on-the-fly classification. It works as files are created, and you can see when that classification took place in this final one here. We also have some contextual information around where the number, the count of sensitive information within that file or that folder, the level of risk associated with it, the potential monetary value of that data to an attacker, and as well as whether that data is stale or not. So here you can start to build a picture of what your sensitive data exposure looks like. You can even search, sort, and filter these. So let's say, for example, you wanted to just look at data related to GDPR. You can get that list quite easily there. Or another example, you don't want to look for a specific compliance, but you want to look for a specific type of sensitive information like credit cards. You can see it's that easy to do. And this same level of visibility extends into Microsoft 365 as well. Here we can see sensitive information identified within SharePoint Online, again including the exact file, the location, compliance requirements associated with the data. Again, it's searchable, sortable, and you can export it to CSV and PDF if you wish. So it's that easy. Using Lepide Identify, using our dashboards and reports, you can discover sensitive data wherever it sits in your environment, across your file servers in Microsoft 365. You can understand your compliance exposure, and you can prioritize remediation based on risk.